8 Anti-Inflammatory Drinks. Here are 8 anti-inflammatory drinks that you can incorporate into your diet. 1. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly catechins, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming green tea regularly may help reduce inflammation and support overall health. 2. Turmeric latte, golden milk. Turmeric contains the compound curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory effects. A warm turmeric latte, also known as golden milk, made with turmeric, milk, or plant-based milk, and a touch of sweetener can provide soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits. 3. Ginger tea. Ginger has long been used for its anti-inflammatory properties. Steep freshly grated ginger in hot water to make a calming and anti-inflammatory ginger tea. You can add a squeeze of lemon and honey for added flavor. 4. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory effects. It contains anthocyanins, which are antioxidants known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming tart cherry juice may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. 5. Pineapple smoothie. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Blend fresh pineapple chunks with coconut water or a dairy-free alternative for a refreshing and anti-inflammatory smoothie. 6. Beetroot juice. Beetroot contains betalains, which are compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Freshly juiced beetroot can be consumed alone or combined with other fruits and vegetables for a nutritious and anti-inflammatory drink. 7. Matcha latte. Matcha is a powdered form of green tea and is rich in antioxidants. It contains catechins, which have anti-inflammatory effects. A matcha latte made with matcha powder, milk, or plant-based milk, and a touch of sweetener can be a soothing and anti-inflammatory beverage. 8. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has been traditionally used for its anti-inflammatory properties. Pure aloe vera juice, extracted from the plant, can be consumed as a drink to potentially help reduce inflammation and support overall well-being. It's important to note that while these drinks may have anti-inflammatory properties, individual responses may vary. Additionally, if you have any specific health conditions or are taking medications, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or incorporating new drinks into your routine.